Alright, continuing 1.4, we have person A rides 6 miles on their bike in 30 minutes, and person B rides 8 miles on their bike in 45 minutes. Who rode faster, and by how much? So, to do this, we're going to use something we call the distance formula, and that is D equals R times T, where D is the distance, R is the rate, and T is the time. The rate and time need to have the same time on them. And we are going to solve for R to know which one is faster. So we need to know the rate. So to solve that for R, I would divide each side by T to get D over T equals R. And this is what we are going to actually use. It's the same thing, I just got R by itself. So for person A, they rode 6 miles in 30 minutes. So the rate is going to be 6 miles in 30 minutes. If I calculate that out, I get 0.2 miles per minute. We take our units and leave them in their fraction. And for person B, I would have 8 miles in 45 minutes to get 0.17, and that's 7 repeats. It doesn't matter that 7 repeats, because this one is smaller than 2. So 1.7 miles per minute. And we are going to figure out that A is going faster by 0.03 miles per minute. That's not much faster, but faster is faster. Alright, and now we have the average temperature high in Long Beach in September is 84 degrees Fahrenheit. The average temperature in London in September is 19.4 degrees Celsius. Which city has a higher average temperature? To do this, I'm going to need to accurately compare them, and they both need to be in the same unit, so both Fahrenheit or both Celsius. This is the formula I can use to solve for, or to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. I don't know about you, but I don't understand what Celsius means. If someone says it's 20 degrees Celsius, I don't know what that means. I do know Fahrenheit, so I'm going to put them both in Fahrenheit. So that means I need to solve for Fahrenheit, solve for F, and to do that I'm going to first multiply by 9/5 to divide by this fraction. That is 9/5 C equals F minus 32. To get F by itself, add 32 to each side, and we get 9/5 C plus 32 equals F. Now for this C, I'm going to take this Celsius for London and plug it in. Then I got 174.6 divided by 5, which is 34.92 plus 32 is 66.9 degrees Fahrenheit. So, since 84 is greater than 66.9, Long Beach has a higher average temperature for the month of September.